Welcome back. You're still watching the Gusile Breakfast Show. Now, if you're somebody that loves a challenge, you might want to put your skills to the test with the Lidwala Knowledge Challenge. To tell us more on this challenge is Bongile Dlamini, who is the Marketing and Client Liaison Officer at Lidwala. Very good morning to you, and thank you so much for coming to our studios this morning. Perhaps you can just tell us more ngayo le Lidwala Knowledge Challenge.
Thank you, Notsile. Very good morning to you and our viewers at home. Njengoba singu-introduce-ile ngibongekile Dlamini, coming from Lidwala Insurance. Lidwala Insurance ingaba nemaswati le seyibe khona in the market for over 15 years. Si provide a solution to our sources. Lesi kwendako ke singilidwala, we insure valuables dilimo tema farmers ethu, your livestock, your crops, amabhizinisi, imoto, tindlu, makhaya, netincingo tethu. We also ensure that, but over the years bese ke sesiyakhula sengilidwala saba ne medical aid yethu le part of Lidwala Insurance.
Right.
But today asikedelile to tsaba taka short term sitokhulumisa yona tindzaba letimnanzi Lidwala Medical Aid Knowledge Challenge la khona babukeli bethu join this competition. It's open to everyone. We are just it's a fun way or an engaging way you go connect with our Swazis, engaging how much they know Lidwala Medical Aid. So now kumbula kahle, as an insurance company, we have an obligation here kufundzisa emaswati i-product lesiyithengisako, and also ensuring that they understand what they are buying, and neku wakutsata kwekuthi ayinake impilo yawo, you know, and also esikhathini lesiningi bamfu bekubane ukuthi i-medical aid is luxury, but we believe it is a basic need. I mean, and siyakutsata emaswati kwekuthi atihlole and adik about on the benefits of having a medical aid. So i-aim yethu ke yale challenge le kwekuthi sibafundzise emaswati nge-medical aid bumcoka bayo and what it covers, and then obviously labo labaphendule kahle imibuto yethu, they'll get to be rewarded for it. Right. So a competition to join the competition lena kufuna ukuthi uthenge liphepha The Times of Eswatini. Siba nemibuto ke every day kuba ne strip advert lesiphumako, imibuto iyahlukana ngeliviki, so lesiniketa wona emaswati a chance to participate and win. Yes, so this week sinayo i-question yethu, emaswati ayajoyina, we are excited nekuveta ukuthi nasu ugcwalisile form lakho uyatsabula le entry form yakho uyidrope at any Eswatini mobile store na go onke ma office aga Times ungayidropa ke entry form yakho. We have big prizes, mouth-watering prizes to be won. So every week when it's 4 Wema winners, each one of them will walk away with a mid voucher from MB Veni to the value of 3,000 emalangeni. Lokusho ukuthi kuleli viki lelitako stabe sine draw yethu yekucala on Friday. 4 winners who walk away with mid vouchers lati 4,000 from MB Veni. Siyakutsata ukuthi maswata join. This competition is open to everyone. Now ungetuli nje kweminyaka lengu-18 you can participate, and utati buti umlalele ekhaya kwekuthi engabe yalaba kalidwala medical aid noma lone policy yakalidwala, you know, it's open to everyone. Whether you are a policy holder yakalidwala or not, you can participate in this competition and win big. So ngiloko i-competition yethu iqale on the 10th of October, siyayivala mhla ka-7 November. Right. So every week on Fridays sitawuba nalama raffle draws. So next week sitawuba nayo yekucala.
Right. Nasaqala Nkosi, you were just about to give us a history Lidwala as a company of which you did mention ukuthi you offer insurance and different plans that also includes the medical scheme. I understand ukuthi nalihlelo lekuthiwa yisiphephelo plan. Perhaps so ngasitshela nje kabantu ukuthi engabe lesiphephelo plan siyini kanti futhi ke silungela bani?
Thank you so much, Notsile. Lidwala Insurance uyawathandza maswati. and ingako sifike sahlala phasi ngekubuka tidzingo temaswati sase we then came up with this plan called Siphephelo. This plan is it's tailored for all Emma civil servants. It's exclusively for civil servants. Starting from as little as 450 per month. Ikavarisha wena wetfana as main member, and then there's a fee attached nase ueda a dependent. So Siphephelo plan, it is a hospitalization plan. Lokusho ukuthi sikavarisha tindleko takho kakhulu kati nawulalisiwe esibhedlela. Ngidawubekisa ngemsebenzi lesibone ema civil servants. I mean emaphoyisa, emawada, emasoja ngidawucela kubekisa ngawo. Umsebenzi wawo risky ngendlela lemangalisayo. So lesikubukile ukuthi in the event kwendeka a fatal accident kube khona ukuthi they have access to quality health care and baya sitakala. We pay costs abo throughout admission of up to 400,000. There's an overall annual limit of 400,000 per family. Yes. And we have so much benefits under this plan, you know. Your first premium as a civil servant. I premium yakho ke siyesigcwalisisa form. We take from the source, we deduct from source. So yes, your details, and then we deduct from source. That is the convenience that we are also offering. Look, coverage again, plan lena on top of the hospitalization. We also offer an ambulance benefit of up to 14,000. Sorry, we also cover mental health. Knowing you know, you know, not with your colleague or your relatives. You need a professional. Yeah. So we have an allocation of 7,000 and Siphephelo plan, and then for if you are looking into conceiving or starting up a family, you know, we have the bracket yaka maternity benefit now 20,000. So kuneni lokuhle ngale plan lena. Now naleli khadi lakho so ulimember la kalidwala. Uyakhona ukuthi uye kunoma ngabe ngiphi private hospital nationwide. Ungaya kubo the clinic group, ungaya kubo EPH, ungaya kubo women and children. Lamaning even lonke ma private clinics la khona ungaya. Kanjalo futhi nase South Africa siyakhona kusebenzisana sinebudlelwane nalamanye tetibhedlela ukuthi ukhona ekusitakala khona. 450 wako per month.
Right.
Yes.
Those are quite the benefits, but if 450 covers the main beneficiary, then I can add as many. How many dependents really can I have on the plan?
So, Simaswati, let's just cut so, si daily meet, ngendlela la watsanza ngayo emaswati. Sithe now dependent like ukuthi there's an extra fee lengetako. So nasifika kumbhana west 5 nangabe unebamhana labaningi siyayimisa le premium yakho. Bese so simise from child number 6, 7, 8, 9 bese uqala kubhadala kumbhana west 10.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. In 1 minute, where can we find updates ngales Siphephelo plan or also the Lidwala Knowledge Challenge? Perhaps your final words for our viewers this morning.
Thank you so much, Notsile. Ngicela ukubonga and acknowledge the King's vision. Onke Maswati, they should have access to quality health care. So Siphephelo plan is in line with the King's vision. So kutsata futhi Maswati ukuthi aga participate and win big, ba check the paper every day and win. Si tabesine first draw next week. Ne Siphephelo plan abajoyine and take up cover. Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
They can contact us on 2508 5600, and then also follow our social media platforms my social media handles ethu athi Lidwala Insurance. So that's where they'll get the answers alama questions.
Understood.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Nkosi Leyo Ngwalumuhle Ngobongekile Dlamini, who is the Marketing and Client Liaison Officer for Lidwala Insurance. Be sure to pay them a visit. Also check them out on their site. This is Kusile Breakfast Show. Stay tuned.